have to take a second bite of the cherry. What we do know about Simpson is that he can take a pace, stick with it for the entire moto. There's Van Horebeek, ankle problems, what ankle problems? Launches past Stephen Frossard. That will have a slightly demoralising effect on the Frenchman, because he knows now that his 2 points lost to Sean Simpson with 8¼ minutes to go. Van Horebeek going after Simpson, so Frossard will be hoping that Van Horebeek here could find a way past the Scot, number 24, for at least take a point back in terms of his title race for fifth. Van Horebeek, look at the difference here. Frossard knew it was coming, took a look over his shoulder. Spectacular move that from Jeremy Van Horebeek to launch himself up into sixth.